Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. A wind advisory is in effect here because of those strong winds that we've been seeing. The good news is, though, the strongest gusts have now moved out. We're going to start seeing things calm down here, but we still have that wind advisory because of gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour this afternoon. That advisory continues until 4 p.m. as well as the impact day. The strongest gusts will diminish by the evening hours, and they'll slowly diminish throughout the evening and overnight. But until then, we could still see some scattered power outages and also down trees and branches, and we have been seeing those reports across the area, so please be careful out there. Today, partly sunny. We'll be seeing temperatures below average. We'll be in the low 30s here and gusts around 40 to 50 miles per hour. That's going to make it feel like the teens as we go throughout your Monday here in President's Day. Tonight will be mostly clear. Wind chills near zero. We're still going to keep the breezy conditions around even through the night tonight. So winds will be out of the northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour. You factor in that wind, and that's why it's going to feel like near zero. Tomorrow, partly sunny. Feels like the teens, so still a cold day, but winds will diminish late tomorrow and they'll start to calm down for good beyond that. But you're looking outside Harrisburg right now. It's dry. We got partly cloudy sky on this President's Day. It is currently 32 degrees at the airport, but feels like 18 because sustained winds are near 30 miles per hour, gusts up to 41 currently at the airport. And here's a look at some of the other wind gusts across the region. Lancaster, you're coming in at 51 at the airport, 38 miles per hour in York, 32 in Carlisle, and 28 up in Selinsgrove. Like I said, those wind gusts diminish a little bit as we go towards this evening, but still elevated here as we go through the rest of your Monday with gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour, especially early in the afternoon. But we will remain dry. We did have a few snow showers up in Mifflin and Juniata County earlier, but those have since dissipated here, and I expect that to continue. But as I've been saying, it's the wind chill as well, with the temperatures here going down into the 20s and eventually the teens overnight tonight. Look at the wind chills. It's going to feel like the teens through the rest of the day today, eventually getting near zero as we go through tomorrow morning. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow, and you can see a lot of places here right around zero, a few negatives even popping up here with the feels like temperature. So it's definitely going to be cold as we go through the rest of today and into tomorrow, but we do remain dry here on the predictor. That will be the case on your Tuesday as well, and those winds begin to diminish. Now, in terms of Wednesday's storm system, I know a lot of you have been asking about this here. That storm system has moved to the south here, so looks like we're going to be missing out on the snow with this one here. Maybe a few isolated snow showers in the Susquehanna Valley, but we do not expect there to be much with that system. Again, it has shifted south, so we will be missing out on that one. Here's a look at your 10-day forecast. We got 32 today, 26 for a high tomorrow as well as Wednesday. It's not until Friday where we get above freezing, and we see the 40s return by the end of the weekend and early next week. And who knows, maybe we'll get a chance to hit 50, Susan, before we end February.
All right.